Gifty Adobea is my name, a graduate from the KNUST with a bachelor's degree in agribiotechnology. I come from Spencers in the Greater Accra region. As a participant of the second edition of the Women in the Driving Seat, I look forward to drone piloting and the use of the tractor. I am nervous about the fact that I am left-handed and how quickly I can be able to use the tractor. As a holder of a certificate in greenhouse production, I have 1 year experience in greenhouse production of vegetables such as cucumber, tomato, cherry tomato, and also how to grade and sort these vegetables for human consumption. At the end of this program, I would like to be able to help farmers with the use of tractors and drones on their farm.